I don't know what to say. I'm back. It's dark. There's a flash in my face. It's a little bit like a, it's kind of like an interview. I can't cuss now. Well, I'm gonna cuss, but I'm gonna kind of tone it down. I notice a lot of people kind of think of like, you know, bad things to say to me in the comments, which I don't really care. I've been disliked, botted, and whatever over the past however long I've had my YouTube channel. But people just think I'm kind of arrogant. I'm really a nice guy. I like to talk a lot of crap. Oh, I said crap. Wow, this is gonna be horrible. I'm back. You wonder why I haven't been on YouTube? Well, this is the reason. YouTube makes me sad. Not because of all the problems with YouTube. It's just that some of my videos depict parts of my life that are no longer there. I would get into that later. If you're on Instagram, you probably know. I haven't talked much about it, but I'm debating whether I should take those videos down or just leave them as like a historical plot in my life that's just like there. But anyway, I have to decide all that. What you guys are here for, you may notice that the Daytona is kind of higher than it usually sits, and that's because it's on a trailer. If you follow me on Instagram, which you probably do, my YouTube is probably a ghost town by now, but if you are watching this video and you don't know from Instagram, I didn't really give any details on Instagram, but I am going to give a couple here. The car blew up. I sent it, okay, basically is what happened. It was my fault. It wasn't anything to do with my tuner. I know you guys have all seen my headers videos. I was gonna get it warranted, but one of the people from Chrysler recognized one of my videos. YouTube actually killed me. It's not the reason I quit, but they actually did. They recognized my video from YouTube and saw that I had work done. I'm talking with my hands a lot.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
And they were like, hey, we recognize this is the Yellow Felonmobile. We know he's modded his crap. Oh, God. Say crap again. They know I modded my car. They said, if you can't afford to pay, then you can't afford to play. I took that, you know, it hurt a little bit. I couldn't get it warranted. I'm not a rich guy by any means, but I won't be discussing like prices and stuff. I'll get into it later as Mike works on the car, and I'll talk about that. I did have to pay him a little bit of money in advance, but here's what's going to be happening to the car. This is a series. This is a boring start to a series, honestly. It's dark, but I have to do this because I'm leaving at 1 a.m. tonight. It is currently, what time is it? Do you know what time it is?
6:36 already.
6:36, so I'm leaving at about 12 or 1. I'm gonna be at Mike's shop in Louisiana. It's about 6 hours away. And I'm gonna be there about 8 o'clock when it opens. So yeah, I'll plug a video right here to show you what the car looks like under the hood, because I can't pop it because I can't open the doors. So that video is one I took in the daytime. We got it here a couple days ago because the dealership said, you know what, we ain't gonna work on your stuff. And it's like, I put it on a trailer. It cost me money because they had to take all the car apart. You saw the heads off, the manifold, all that. It's in my trunk. Yeah. You think the 392 doesn't have room? It has the whole engine in there, okay? Except the block. So it's all in there. Yeah, so I had to pay a dumb amount of money just for them to take my car apart and not reassemble it. That's when I decided, you know what, this is not good. They called me and they said, hey, the dealership said, you know what, it's gonna be about 12 grand, you know, or a little less to put you a new stock 392 with a 3-year warranty. So I can take that and go stock boy, and I didn't want to do that. So I called Mike, and, you know, I've sent him a little bit of business, and, you know, he's worked out some good stuff with me, and, you know, I got a better deal from him. So that's basically in a nutshell what I ended up doing. I could get a new motor. I could have got a used one. I could have done anything like that, and I didn't want to do that. So he's taking my block as it sits, and he's going to bore it out, and it's going to have a 426 stroker. I'm doing a couple other things like a cam. I'll get into all that later, but hopefully it's going to make good powder. It's going to make good powder, guys. I might plan it for boost. I don't know yet. I have to make up my mind still. You know, if it's like, it'll be pretty slow until I put boost on it, or it'll be really fast in A and I'll just keep it in A. So that's basically what I got to decide. I think I'm going to keep in A. 426 is kind of cool. People are going to ask why I didn't go 440 or anything more or less. I don't know. I think that's a happy medium. If I want to boost it in the future, you know, judging, you know, the ring gap he sets, I might have to fix it later, but whatever. That's hearsay. The car is going to be gone for about 2 or 3 months. Maybe less, I don't know. That's just, he has to send the block off to machine shop, etc., etc. So basically, I'm not looking you guys directly in the eyes because there's a flash right in my eyes. So if it looks like I'm talking to like people in the dark, that's just gonna have to roll with that. This video is bad enough already, but I have to make it right now. I could have made it during the day, but I was doing stuff. This will be the worst video of the series. I'm gonna make that as a promise. Like every video I make, the next one's gonna be better. So it'll get better. He's gonna send me leaked stuff all the way from Louisiana, and he's gonna keep you know, sending the stuff all over there because I'm not gonna be staying up there. And then I'll be leaking it on YouTube and little videos he sends and stuff like that. I'll talk about the build. I'm not gonna become one of them vlogging guys, or maybe I am. It is what it is. My new channel theme is like, I don't give a poop on like what anything is said, because I've been disliked, botted, I've been criticized. I don't care. I've been doing my own thing. If you guys follow me on Insta, you're pretty up to date with what I'm doing. Things have changed, but hopefully I'm making a YouTube comeback for real, for good. And because I know people really miss the videos. I didn't think it was that bad, but people really want to see the videos. I don't know why people want to watch me that bad, but I appreciate it. So the car right here, it has no battery in it. I can't unlock it. I can't do anything. The car's completely dead. Can't turn my DRLs on or nothing. Yeah, one night I was driving and the car just started having problems at Winkin-Pooey. I was on low oil life, on low gas, and I was gunning it in cold weather. It's probably my fault. It's definitely more, it's my fault, okay? So I'll take fault for it. It is what it is. If you're wondering why I'm going all the way back to Louisiana, like I said, I made that video about Mopar Mike. The guy's a genius. He did my previous work. I trust him. He had nothing to do with this car going splode. So I was like, whatever. I'm taking it back to him. It's gonna be cheaper than putting a dealership motor in there, but it's not much. Not much cheaper. But at least I'll have a faster car. You know, it'll be more reliable. It'll have built internals, all the good stuff. I had some bullet points I was gonna put in this video of like what the hell I wanted to talk about. But yeah, this is on a trailer. This will be gone for a while. I'm gonna put a little bit in the video. We're gonna talk to Mike tomorrow. I might put that in this video probably, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. This is horrible. I gotta figure all this out. This is where I'm at. This is square one. So the car's dead, basically. I'm not dead. Well, car's going to make a comeback. It's just gonna be a while. I'm gonna make a YouTube comeback. Man, I'm rusty. I'm rusty at this, man. I'm rusty. It's awkward being on camera now. This is the start. I gotta figure it out as I go. Hopefully I can get some of the rough edges sanded off. So this is where I'm at. Car's done for now. And it'll be back and better than ever. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm making a little series on it. I might do, you know, little stuff here and there. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments. You know, video wise, little stuff in between, updates. If you have any questions about the build, what happened, that's about as much information as I can give like right now, because I'm not entirely sure what happened. I know it was my fault. It is what it is. The new build, I don't know a lot about it. As it comes, you know, I'll kind of expose it. I'll keep everybody updated a little bit on Instagram, but this is the major part. This is the YouTube series. Come check it out. Come stay for videos. If you don't like them, you can skip to the next part. This one's the worst one, but if you guys made it to the end, I promise the next video is going to be better. I got to get my talking down again. Not that I was ever super good on it. I really cared a lot about what people thought about me and whatever, and I try to, you know, do a lot of crazy editing and all this stuff. What are you doing?
I was just letting you know about the timer.
Lucas.
What timer?
This how's at 10 minutes.
Oh. Is it really at 10 minutes?
Hell yeah.
Oh, we need to cut it now so I can get
proper
monetization. No, I'm just kidding. No, so, you know, I used to care about, you know, what people thought of me. I edited a lot and all that. So now it's just going to be me talking to you as if you're here, but you're not. You're a flash right now. So it's really complicated. I'm gonna have to get used to it again. But I'm trying to talk to you as if you don't know, and I'll get it going. I'll probably be filming most of this myself. Shout out to my buddy for coming and helping me. I'll plug his stuff at the end. Said this 1,000 times. The car's on a trailer. I'm gonna be in Louisiana tomorrow. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna post these updates. And whatever you guys think, if you have comments, suggestions, whatever you wanna see, if you have questions, put it in the YouTube comments. That's what they're for. I'm gonna try to reply to all of them. And for the person dislike botting my videos, if you bought this one or any in the YouTube series, you deserve a medal, because that's dedication. I've been out for about 3 months and you're still gonna be botting my YouTube videos. That's really good. It's just like, I'll post a video and it's got like 1,000 views and it'll immediately have like 500 dislikes as soon as I post it. It's just crazy. I don't know how that works, but the girl over at YouTube needs to fix that shit. But oh well, if I get botted, if I get any crazy shit going on, I don't care. I'm gonna continue to post YouTube videos. And they're gonna be just nonchalant videos like this. Could be some funny stuff. This one's a boring one because I'm about to take a nap so I can drive all the way to the boot. Is that what it's called? Louisiana, the boot?
Yeah.
That makes sense, yeah. I'm not even gonna say I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope you didn't. This was awful. But if you're happy to see me back, throw some comments in. Throw some likes, give me some support, because this is gonna be a rough transition for me, and then I'll have to debate on what I'm gonna do with my pre-existing videos. Anyway, thank you guys for supporting me as always. People that are still here, I'm just chilling. A lot has changed, so we'll go over that. And I'm sorry for this brutally long talking video. But anyway, go follow this guy. He helped me in a pinch filming right now because it was dark. And I was like, dude, I need the flash. And my GoPro wasn't about to cut it in the dark. That is the coolest shit. That is so cool. Yeah, man, this is gonna be a good build. But anyway.
It just sounds cam, don't you? That's terrible.
Yeah, it's not canned, it sounds canned. I'm gonna give you guys a quick last walk around the car. So a lot more is gonna be fixed on the car than just the motor. I got some other stuff. Mopar Mike's gonna be pretty much helping me with everything. This car's gonna be coming back from the graveyard. This is just a swift walk around of it. This is what the car looks like as it sits. Man, I'm gonna miss this car for a while. But it should be a cool YouTube series. Either that or it'll totally fail and bomb. Oh well, I'm gonna get this edited up. I may or may not include what happens tonight or tomorrow actually. And yeah, I'll charge the GoPro up and we'll get this series kicked off. So I apologize for this very bad video. It's like the first one I ever made, but you know what? Everything starts somewhere. So I don't know how to end it. But anyway,
end it with these bald eagles, these American bald eagles right here.
there is no bald eagles.
Wow.
Well, these are bald. These tires are bald.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's another thing that's gonna happen is new tires. Yeah, this whole car is getting set up. I don't remember how I used to end my old videos, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the love and support. I'm making a comeback. It's gonna be really good or really bad. So stick around. Oh shit. Oh U-Haul. Damn. Boy, this is the setup. With a well. Oh, we just got in Louisiana. Look at this motherfucker. Yummy. Well, boys and girls, if you don't think the trunk on the 392 is big, it fits itself. Yeah, I got my entire motor in here, so go ahead and check it. That's my intake manifold. Holy crap, that's huge. Yummy. Tasty pinatas. It's like metal shavings.
Yep.
Back with Mike. What's it been, Mike? A year?
Been about a year.
Shit. And we're back. Look at this.
Back at it again.
Look at this, man. I've been making Rice Krispies and this shit. This motherfucker is.
This is typical Hemi piston ringland failure.
Yep.
It's not because of a tune. It's not because of headers. It's not because of anything over revving or anything like that. Anybody can Google Hemi 5.7 or 6.4 piston ringland failures, and it happens to everybody.
That's what
To
I've been
your
waiting to tell
grandmother,
everybody.
grocery getter, to people who just drive it every day, to performance people. It just happens.
That's what I've been trying to tell everybody, but I didn't know how to describe it better than Mike, so I just left it. But yeah, that's what happened to my motor, is a ringland failure.
Yep.
And the reason it wasn't warranted is because my headers and PCM and all that shit.
Oh, look at that nice. They pulled a connector off.
Oh, shit.
That's nice.
Damn.
Thanks, dealership.
Yeah. Don't let the dealership take apart your car. If you know you fucked it up, accept it.
Look at it, they fucking just ripped that out.
Oh, shit.
So,
You have to buy a new harness or what?
nah, I got some plugs.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Piston ringland failures happen when the piston rings touch each other and they pop off the top of the aluminum piston. And the reason why it's all beat up in so many cylinders is because that little bitty piece of metal that breaks off goes into the intake manifold and then bounces around and goes into another cylinder, comes out, it bounces around and goes to another cylinder. And next thing you know, you got a bunch of pistons beat to shit and bent valves and an intake manifold full of garbage.
But all this carbon's not from that though, right?
No, this is typical wear.
Yeah.
You know, typical carbon buildup from any motor that's running.
How do I get rid of most of that? Is there a way to fix some of that?
I highly recommend not to use any kind of octane booster or additive. It's an actual waste of money, and
I don't ever use that
I've seen
shit
nothing
either.
but bad things happen from that. So
Yeah, fuck that.
this is not in all honesty, is not a lot of carbon buildup. You're not going to really get away from it.
Yeah.
It's like the soot that's left over from the ignition, the combustion.
Right.
And it's just going to build up on the piston over time.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have a set of nice new pistons, some rods, a stroker crank,
Yep.
a camshaft.
So what exactly we're doing? Like, what are we doing to the motor, and then plus, Do you know the names of like some of the parts? I know people are going to know that. We'll put that in later if you don't have any.
So we're going to use Manley pistons and rods and a Manley stroker crank.
Cool.
And we're actually going to take this 392. We're going to bore it out 20 over, depending on if there's how the cylinder walls look, and make it into a 426 stroker.
Okay. And if it's absolutely damaged beyond that, which it probably won't be, you'll get bigger in the stroke or what?
Bigger in the bore.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Possibly a 30 over. But I've never had to do that before. It all depends on when I take the pistons out, what the cylinder walls look like.
And I showed you guys briefly like in the trunk, but it looks like my heads are gonna survive, maybe. So
yeah, we can deck the cylinder heads a little bit to clean that up, which would ultimately gain you more compression and more horsepower.
All right.
You got to be you got to be careful that you don't do it too much, because you can cause pre-ignition and detonation on pump gas.
Yep. My transmission will handle all this okay?
Absolutely.
We're gonna retune the transmission too, right? To accommodate it?
Yes. Everything's gonna be retuned.
Cool.
All
Yep.
right, guys.
This is where we're at. And this is the first episode, man. This is
First of many.
This is the nitty gritty, man. It's the worst this car will ever be today. I mean, it's just a piece of shit now. But it's still pretty. But we're gonna fix it up and we're gonna make it run really good. So we can thank Mike for that. And it'll be a good time. So hope you guys enjoy the series. And part 1 is done. I'm out.